Hey tech lovers, welcome to Dreamer Tech, where we dig into the world of smartphones to uncover what makes it special, what makes it stand out. Today we are tackling a juicy topic that will spark some debate. Only Android can do this. iPhone can't. I know iPhone users wouldn't be cool with this, but here is the fact. If you ever wonder what sets Android from apart from the iPhone, or why some features just seem smarter and more flexible on Android, this episode is for you. Let's dive in. First off, live caption. A feature that is available only on Android. Imagine when you are able to see a real-time caption for videos, podcasts, and audio clip, even when your phone is mute. No headphone, no problem. Just type into the live caption button under the volume control, and every word being said is displayed right on your screen. And guess what? You can resize, move the caption box to suit your needs. iPhones, they don't simply have this. If accessibility convenience matters to you, Android takes the crown. Imagine when you are in a noisy place, live caption best suits the atmosphere at that moment for you to be able to listen to every detail, see every details of the video. Here is a big one, customization. Android lets you change font size, widgets, and even entire home screen layout. You don't like the default look? Change it. You can even download third-party fonts or launchers to make your phone truly yours. On the iPhone, what you see is pretty what you get. Sure, Apple added widget recently, but it's nowhere flexible as Android. When it comes to making your phone a reflection of your personality, Android wins hands down. Let's talk about storage. Many Android phone comes with an SD card slot, meaning you can expand your storage whenever you want. When you run out of space, just pop up an SD card. It is that simple. Meanwhile, iPhone forces you to choose a storage option as purchase 128 GB, 256 GB, or higher. And if you run out, your only solution is to delete files or pay for iCloud. Expandable storage is freedom, and it's something iPhone just can't compete with. And all the personal data will stay hidden, and they are done. And when they are done, you can erase their sections in one tap. iPhones, sorry, no features. Android once again proved its privacy king. People thought iPhone is the privacy king, but here is what you should know. Ever hand your phone to someone worrying about them snooping through your apps and your photos? Android Get Smooth solves the problem. Switch to Get Smooth and your phone becomes a blank slate. The person borrowing your phone can only use the basics. This one is for the multitasker's dreams. On Android, you can clone an app to use multiple accounts for service like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all on the same phone. If you're managing work or personal accounts, the features is a lifesaver. And no, you can't do this on iPhone without some very clunky workaround. Android makes it simple, seamless, and efficient to clone app. Full internal storage access. When you connect an Android phone to a computer, you get full access to internal storage. You can move files, photos, videos, documents, anything you want. On iPhone, all you get is access to the photos and videos. For everything else, you are stuck using iCloud or AirDrop. Android give you full control over your files, no strings attached. Need to transfer file between devices? With Android, you can use SD cards to move data effortlessly. Just swap the card from one phone to the other. No internet, no hassle. iPhones, on the other hand, rely on iCloud service or wireless transfer, which aren't always practical. For quick offline file transfer, Android takes the lead yet again. So, can you now say Android is better? Let's recap from live caption to full customization, expandable storage, guest mode, app cloning, and more. Android clearly offers features that iPhone can't match. Does this make Android phones better? Well, it depends on what you value. If you're all about flexibility, control, and practical features, the answer is a resounding yes. Of course, iPhone has their own strengths too, but when it comes to sheer versatility and user freedom, Android undeniably has the edge. That is for that on this episode, folks. If you're Android users, give yourself a pat on the back for choosing the phone that works for you. And if you're an iPhone user, well, maybe it's time to consider making the switch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this episode, drop a message if you have any other Android features. Thanks for tuning in to Dreamer Tech. And as always, keep exploring, keep innovating, keep loving your tech. Welcome to a digitalized world.